English. I, Chandrakala Gaur, would like to welcome Dr. Preeti Sunal ma'am for our today's resilience session. I would like to request Preeti Sunal ma'am to start our today's session. If it is here.
Hi, good morning, lovely students. How are you all?
We are
Yes,
fine.
Are you all happy?
Yes.
Fine?
we are
Yes,
fine.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Great, great.
Good
Okay,
morning, ma'am.
good morning. Good morning. Are you all excited for today's new learning?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do you know what are you going to learn today? Okay. You know, whenever you are not very much aware of what are you going to learn, it is always good because there are a lot of surprises that comes to your way, right? And I'm sure today, whatever surprises we all have brought for you, for the lovely students of Global School, you all are going to, like those surprises. Okay. So are you all excited for the new learning? Give me a,
Yes, ma'am.
big
Yes.
yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you all
Yes,
excited?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's great. That's great. Okay, okay. So this is going to be an interactive learning. So whatever, so there'll be few stories. There'll be a few videos. There will be few activities. So what are we going to do today is we are going to start with some activity. Okay. So what that activity is, you all have to write down few things that you cannot do. Ma'am, can we mute the devices, please?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, my dear friends, what are we going to learn today? We are going to learn something new. But before we, go to what are we going to learn, I want you all to concentrate on slide number 2. Can we have slide number 2 on the screen? And what you all have to do is we have to do a small activity. And in that small activity, you all are going to learn. You all are going to write 4 things that you think you can do. Okay. For example, I think I can dance. Okay. And you have to also write down 4 things that you think you cannot do. For example, I think I cannot swim. Okay. So if you have a pencil or a pen and a notebook, even if you don't have, write down in the chat box. Okay. You can also unmute yourself and can tell once you have finished with thinking what are the things that you can do and you cannot do. I want you to switch on your camera if it is possible. If network is good, you will switch on your cameras so that we can interact. Okay, come on, start writing in your notebook or in the chat box at least one thing that you can do and one thing that you cannot do. Come on, quickly. Let me see who shares first. Okay, okay. Arshalan, hi, good morning. Arshalan, are you going to tell us what is one thing that you can do and what is one thing that you cannot do?
Ma'am,
come on, very good.
Ma'am, I can dance.
Very good. So I'm writing what you are saying. Very good. So you think you can dance. So you can dance. Yes. So you can. And what you cannot do, beta? What do you think what you cannot do?
Yes, Arsalan.
Very good, beta. What is that thing that you think you cannot do?
Arsalal, बोलो बेटा.
मैम मुझे नहीं आ रहा है क्या बोलने.
ऐसे अच्छा, वेरी गुड. वो भी अच्छी बात है कि ऐसा आपको लगता है कि आई कैन नॉट डू में कुछ नहीं है. ओके, अभी मैं आपने जो नाम से लॉगिन किया है वो नाम से आपको बुलाऊंगी. ठीक है, हो सकता है वो आपका नाम ना हो तो आपको मुझे बताना है अगर वो आपका नाम नहीं है. So Subhavi Kulkarni. Are you
Shambhavi.
there, beta? Please switch on your camera. और मुझे बताइए. हाँ, yes, tell me, beta. I can hear you.
No, ma'am, I'm typing in chat box. That's why the camera is off.
Okay, so what have you written in the chat box? Neha says. So Neha also has written something. Okay. Okay, so you all are writing. Aditya says, I can't swim in river. Okay. Okay. Because you're small. Okay. 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 So I hope you all have written something in I can. So I can dance, I can swim, I can, I can perform lot of stage shows. Okay. Then you also have written few activities like Digvijay says, I cannot dance. So have you observed that there are few things that we can do and there are few things that we cannot do? Agree? Do you
Yes.
agree with that? Okay. Now, if I ask you, now I'm going to ask you a question. Do you really think that these things that you say you cannot do at present, you will never ever be able to do it any day? आप वो चीज कभी भी नहीं कर पाओगे, ऐसा लगता है आपको? I repeat my question.
No, ma'am.
For example, if Digvijay says he cannot dance, for example, if Digvijay says he cannot dance at present, okay, do you think he can never ever dance? If he learns, if he puts his hard work, Digvijay, do you think you can dance if you learn it and if you put your 100% to it? What do you think, Digvijay?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, good. So, my dear friends, you know, what are we going to do today? We are going to learn how to convert our I cannot into I can. Now, how are we going to learn that? Now, how we are going to learn that is through some examples that I am going to give you. Yes, Sumed, you can play cricket. That's very nice. But I'm sure we all have, you know, certain blocks in our mind. हम सब सोचते हैं कि शायद ऐसी चीजें हैं दुनिया में जो हम नहीं कर सकते. Even when I was small like you, even I used to think that there are few things that I cannot do. For example, I cannot do track. Okay, Aryan says. But let me tell you, if you learn those skills, if you put your 100%, अगर आप मेहनत करो, तो अगर आप पूरी लगन के साथ में वो चीज सीखो, तो ऐसी कोई भी चीज नहीं जो आप नहीं कर सकते. So in today's session, my dear friends, we all together are going to learn how to convert our I cannot to what I can. Okay? Are you all ready and excited to learn those?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
great,
ma'am.
great. Very good. So let us now move to, you know, some of the people who already have learned in their lives how to convert I cannot into I can. Now, because I told you, yes. So Atish, you can't swim today, but you can swim definitely if you learn it properly. Okay? So there is nothing, remember, there is nothing that you cannot do. You can always do whatever you decide. So we are now going to the next slide, and now I want you all to concentrate on this particular slide. Now I want you all to write down in the chat box who your role model is. Okay, so you all are going to write down who is your role model at present. Neha says my father, Arun says my dad. Okay, great. Come on, everybody. Jay says
Ma'am,
my
my name
father
is
and mother. Great. Chaitanya says my father. Okay, great. Subhavya says my mom. Atisha says my father and mother. Aryan says my mom and dad. Digvijay also says the same. Unnati too says the same. Wow, that's great. Just a minute. Give me 1 second. Okay, great. So everybody says my father and mother. So my dear friends, do you know when you say that your role model is your father and your mother, you all are making them so happy, right? Okay, Subhavi. Okay. So my dear friends, do you also know that when you say your mom and dad or your teacher is your role model, remember, these are the people in your life who already have the ability to convert their I cannot into I can. You know why? Because they all believe that they can do everything, whatever they decide. So if they decide that in 2 months they are going to learn how to ride a bike, they can. If they decide in 2 months they are going to learn how to use laptop, computer, and the games, with your help, they can. If they decide that they are going to learn how to play a musical instrument, they can, because of one secret that they have. And what is that one secret? Arshalan is going to tell what is that secret. Arshalan, I'm very happy that you have kept your camera on, and others too can do that. Come on, tell us what is that secret, beta.
Arsalan.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Good. Good.
मैम कौन सा सीक्रेट?
हाँ, कौन सा सीक्रेट है जो हम अभी बात कर रहे हैं, जो आपको लगता है उनके अंदर है, जिसकी वजह से वो आपके रोल मॉडल है? कुछ तो भी आई कैन नॉट से रिलेटेड है, आई कैन और आई कैन नॉट से। क्या है वो सीक्रेट?
मैम
मैं हेल्प करूं? क्या आप बताएंगे?
मैं थोड़ा सा हेल्प चाहिए।
थोड़ा सा हिंट दे दूं? ओके, तो शायद वो अपने आई नॉट को अपने आई कैन से कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं। They have the ability to convert I cannot into I can. अभी समझा? Yes?
यस।
Yes or
Okay.
no, बेटा?
मैं आपको थोड़ा सा और सिंपल करके बताती हूँ, ठीक है? हम अगले स्लाइड की तरफ जाएंगे और मैं आपको बहुत अच्छे छोटे छोटे सिंपल एग्जाम्पल्स देके सिखाती हूँ, ठीक है? चलो अभी हम थोड़ा सा आगे चलते हैं, and let me share with you. Do you all want to become a super boy and a super girl? Come on, tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you all want to become after a few years just like your role model, just like your mom and dad? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you all wish to become like your teachers who are so strong? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So I'm getting so many yes, right? So we all girls want to become strong girls, and we all boys wants to become a strong boy. So my dear friends, if you all want to be a strong boy and a strong girl, you are going to learn few secrets that I'm going to tell you. Okay? And what is that secret? We will go to the next slide and we will learn what is that secret. Come on. And that secret, you have to pay attention because I will ask you what is that secret. Okay. Now, you have to tell me, what do you see on the slide? What do you see on the slide? Okay, you see two images. Okay, image number 1 and image number 2. Now, in image number 1, you can read one word. What is that word? Who is going to tell me?
Impossible.
Yes. So, Unnati, can you keep your camera on for a few moments, beta?
Nikita, turn on your camera.
Okay, Nikita. So it is Nikita. So Nikita, I will ask you something. You will keep your camera on. Okay. So Nikita.
Ma'am, your voice is not coming.
Yeah, now.
My voice is. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Now you are audible.
Okay, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Okay, so Nikita, what can you that line which is written there? Read
Nikita.
that line for us, beta.
In first picture,
In first picture. In first picture.
impossibly say I am possible.
Very good. Very good, Nikita. Impossible says I am possible. And in the second image, my dear friends, what is written? I can't do it. But now
I
observe
can't
the
do it.
images carefully. In image number 1, out of the word impossible, someone has erased I am. You know who is that person who has erased I am? It is your role model. Your role model also had in their lives dictionary, the word impossible. But what have they done? With their consistent efforts and with your hard work, they have erased those words impossible and they have converted it to I am possible. So what are we going to learn today is how to convert I can't into I can. We are going to learn how to convert I can't into, come on, tell me.
I can.
I can.
Very good, excellent. And we are also going to learn how to convert impossible into
Possible.
very good.
I am
Excellent.
possible.
Very good, very good. Because remember, the word impossible also says I am.
Possible.
Very good, excellent. Now, just like how your mom and dad are your role models, just like that, there are few more people around us who are also living a successful life today. But they also had lot of failures in their life in the past. They had lot of problems. Trust me, even your mom and dad in the past they have faced lot of difficulties. उन्होंने भी अपनी लाइफ में बहुत सारे प्रॉब्लम्स देखे हैं, बट आज वो उन प्रॉब्लम से उभर गए हैं. They have come out of those problems and today they have become extremely strong. Do you think your mom and dad are strong?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes?
Yes,
Do you
ma'am.
think your teachers are strong?
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes. So just like how your parents are strong, your teachers are strong, my dear friends, we all also have to be strong. And there are few more people whom you can see in these slides. They are also very strong. You know why? Because they all can convert their I cannot into I can, and they can convert the impossible into possible. So who are these people? Who is going to tell me? Whom can you see?
Can I?
Yes, Chaitanya.
First Sachin Tendulkar, second Amitabh Bachchan, third
Third, I will help you. Third is Sudha Chandran.
Sudha Chandran, and
Who is the
She-
fourth?
she is actress.
Okay, fourth, she's a sports person. Okay. So who is going to tell me who is the fourth one? She is Arunima Sinha. Okay. So the fourth personality, the fourth resilient personality that you see on image number 4 is Arunima Sinha. Now, why are these people special? ये सभी लोग बहुत स्पेशल है और इनके जैसे बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो बहुत स्पेशल है. मैं आपको अब जब हम नेक्स्ट स्लाइड में जाएंगे तब मैं आपको वीडियो दिखाऊंगी और बताऊंगी कि why they are so special. Okay? Now, let me tell you what is the secret of they being so special. अच्छा आपने बोला, Chaitanya told that the first image is of Sachin Tendulkar. Okay. Now, Chaitanya, tell me what is special about Sachin Tendulkar?
His batting.
Wow, his batting, and we call him as
God of cricket.
excellent. Lot of claps to you. Excellent. We call him God of cricket world, right? He's the best. He is the best in the field of cricket. He's he's also very good human being. He has helped so many needy people. Okay, so
Yes.
my dear friends, let me tell you, we all know him as a great cricketer, but he wasn't always the great cricketer. There was not every match in which he used to score a century. So sometimes he also has played matches where he has not performed up to the mark, but still we call him as the god of cricket. Why? Because whenever whenever there was a time he could not perform well, he has always analyzed his weaknesses, and he has always tried his best with his hard work, with his consistency, to improve his performance in the next match. जब भी उन्होंने किसी भी मैच में अच्छा परफॉर्म नहीं किया है, हर बार उन्होंने एनालाइज किया, उन्होंने देखा, उन्होंने सोचा कि मैंने इस मैच में क्यों अच्छा नहीं कर पाया, और अगली बार उन्होंने अगले मैच में अच्छा परफॉर्म करने की कोशिश की. And that is what has made him so special. So whenever the world told him, now it's the time for Sachin Tendulkar to retire, he has always proved that no, I can perform well. And every time whenever he has received some critics, he has proved with his hard work and consistency that he has performed actually well. Okay? Understood why he is so special for all of us?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
great.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, very good. And you know what is his life mantra? His life mantra is self-improvement. What is his life mantra?
Self-improvement. Self-improvement.
Self-improvement. Very good, very good. Now, we are going to the second personality. Okay, who is the second personality you said?
Amitabh Bachchan.
Amitabh Bachchan. Very good. Now, my dear friends, now who is Amitabh Bachchan?
Actor.
He is
He is a famous Indian actor, but what do we call him?
Big B.
Big B. Very good. So, Big B, and just like how Sachin Tendulkar is god of cricket, Amitabh Bachchan also is called as?
Big B.
Big B.
Okay, he is also called as the Badshah of Bollywood, because every actor worship him like a god. But do you also know that today Amitabh Bachchan is so rich, he's so famous, he's so successful. We all are very good fan of Amitabh Bachchan, but in his past, he too has faced a lot of failures. I will share one of the failure that he has faced in his life. When he was around 60 years of age. Now we all know when people, when people reaches to 60 years of age, it is generally the age of retirement. Right? हम लोग सोचते हैं कि 60 years की age हो गई तो हम retire हो जाएंगे. And it was then around that time that he had arranged, a great event named Miss India. Okay? उन्होंने एक बहुत बड़ा इवेंट ऑर्गेनाइज किया था और उसमें उन्होंने बहुत सारा पैसा इन्वेस्ट किया था, बट ड्यू टू सर्टेन रीजंस वो इवेंट इतना ज्यादा चल नहीं पाया, एंड बिकॉज ही हैड इन्वेस्टेड लॉट ऑफ मनी, ऑलमोस्ट ऑल हिज प्रॉपर्टी इनटू दैट, उनका जो पैसा था वो पूरी तरह से खत्म हो गया, एंड ही बिकेम बैंकरप्ट. इमेजिन someone who was so successful in his life, somebody who was so famous, somebody who had lot of money, immediately because of some unfortunate situation becomes bankrupt. What will happen to a normal human being? A normal human being will be in a great shock and will think ab to sab kuch khatam ho gaya, right? But then what happened, why we call Amitabh Bachchan special? Because he had a special thinking. We all should learn that special thinking. You know what was that special thinking he had at that time? He thought that whatever has happened in the past, was past. Let me restart my life. And then he restarted his life. He started with a great television show. Can you name that television show? From
कौन
Bollywood
बनेगा
he moved to
करोड़पति?
television. Yes, Chaitanya, you are absolutely
कौन बनेगा
correct.
करोड़पति?
कौन बनेगा करोड़पति? He himself became करोड़पति and he has made so many people करोड़पति on that show, right? So remember, the first personality we learned is Sachin Tendulkar. Second personality we have learned about is
Amitabh Bachchan.
Bachchan.
And the third
अमिताभ
personality,
बच्चन.
very good, beta, very good. And the third personality, who is the third personality? I told you, Sudha, right? The third personality is Sudha Chandran. Who is Sudha Chandran?
Ma'am, she is actress and a Bharatnatyam dancer.
Very good, Chaitanya. Again, a big clap to you. So remember, Sudha Chandran is a famous Bharatnatyam dancer and she is also a fine Indian actress. But why she's so special? Why we are learning about her today? There are few things that, few
Ma'am, can I-
incidences. Yes, Chaitanya, you want to say something? Now, some of you have written in the I cannot column that I cannot dance. Imagine we are blessed with both the legs, but still we say we cannot dance at present. But this super woman, when she was traveling, she was into, her childhood, when she was traveling back from one of the dance show to her house with her, while coming back to her house, उस वक्त जैसा चैतन्य ने बोला उनके साथ भी एक हादसा हुआ और उस हादसे में मतलब she met with an accident and unfortunately she lost one of her leg. तो अभी तो ऐसा ही सिचुएशन था उस वक्त कि उनको
Ma'am,
yes
ma'am, I think that she have a wood leg, na?
she has, yes. Yes, I will tell you better that she has an artificial leg. Okay, so my dear friends, let me tell you what happened after that is जब ये incidents हुआ, when she lost her leg, she also thought that she cannot dance. But after a few days, it was the internal motivation which motivated her. It was the support of her family which motivated her. And slowly, gradually, with an ampute leg, with an artificial leg, she started practicing. Now, in the initial phase, it was very difficult. It was extremely difficult. But because she had a strong will and she had the secret. What was the secret? That she wanted to convert the I cannot dance to I can dance. And when she performed with that artificial leg for the first time on the show, on a big show, everybody gave her a standing ovation. All the audience, which included great personalities, gave her a standing ovation. And till date, we all know that she danced so gracefully and nobody can make out that she is, she has lost her leg. So, Atisha, you were absolutely correct. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So, my dear friends, always remember, even if something bad happens to us, even if we fail, some incidents happen in which we lose something, it can be a loss of some property, it can be loss of, anything. But you should always remember that you should have the ability to bounce back, to come out of that situation and to behave and to, and to be normal again. You have to be just like this rubber band. What is this rubber band? What does this signify? This signifies that you have to stretch yourself in difficult situation and you again have to come back to your normal situation. You have to stretch yourself in difficult situation and you have to come back to the normal situation. Okay, Sachin Tendulkar, when he was not performing well, he had to stretch himself and he came back to his normal position when he started performing well. Amitabh Bachchan, when he lost all his property, he had to stretch himself. He again came back to his normal position when he, regained everything, whatever he had lost. Okay, and Sudha Chandran, when she lost her leg, and for a dancer, my goodness, it is so important. She had to stretch herself in a sense that she practiced so hard till she could dance with that ampute leg, with that artificial leg, right? And you know what is so special about her? She's not only the fine actress, fine dancer, but on her, because she's our role model, we have also made a movie. The Bollywood, has made a movie wherein she only has acted. And the name of that movie is Nache Mayuri. So if you get a chance, do watch that movie. Okay. Now we again come back to that slide. Ma'am, can you please share that slide with us? So remember, your role model, that is your mom, your dad, then your teachers, then Sachin Tendulkar, Amitabh Bachchan, Sudha Chandran, all these people have some special ability, and that ability is converting the impossible into
Possible. I am
very
possible.
excellent, excellent. Now the fourth personality is also there, but I will tell you about Arunima Sinha a little later. Okay, let us now go to the next slide and see what is the next surprise for you all. So if we go to slide number 7, so yes, the surprise is that there is a video that I want you all to see. Okay, now this video contains information about some more persons whom we can say they are our role models. Okay, why? Because even they have converted the impossible into possible, and I cannot into I can. Okay. Madhwan, are you raising your hand? Do you want to say something?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, you didn't mention the Pachendri Pal. Ma'am, she lost her leg, and ma'am, after then she also climbed the Himalaya.
Ah, yes. So the fourth person, you're talking about the fourth personality, Arunima Sinha. You are absolutely correct, beta. You are absolutely correct. And we will learn about her more in detail. Okay, because she's such an inspiring girl. So now please pay attention. Okay. This is very exciting video. I hope the audio is also clear. मैम आवाज नहीं आ रहा है. Ma'am, it is not audible.
Yes, ma'am, it's not audible.
Okay, ma'am's mic is off.
Mic is off. Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
मैम दिख रहा है बहुत क्लियरली, बट आवाज नहीं आ रहा है.
Ma'am, your mic is off.
ठीक है मैम, your mic is off.
हाँ मैम, आपका अनम्यूट कीजिए डिवाइस, शायद फिर आएगा.
Okay. Now is it okay?
Yes, ma'am. Watch the video carefully. I'm going to ask you names. Observe very carefully. This is the most important. Thank you, ma'am. Wow. So how was the video? I hope you all have enjoyed this video.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What all personalities have we seen in this video who have the superpower?
Virat Kohli.
Virat
Very
Kohli.
good.
Virat
Virat Kohli.
Rajnikant.
Rajinikanth.
Nawazuddin Siddiqui.
Very good. Very good. What else? Who else?
Sakshi Malik.
Very good. Excellent. All? There were two more.
Sakshi Malik.
Very good. Vijay Sharma. One more.
Ira Singhal.
Ah, excellent. Wow. What
Very
an
good. Ira
intelligent,
Singhal.
what an intelligent class and what an intelligent, students. Excellent. My dear friends, remember all these personalities had one ability in them, one common thing, but they never ever gave up. Okay? So you should always remember that if there are few things you think you cannot do right now, with your consistent efforts, with your hard work, you can definitely do that thing in future. But for that, what is important is that you should believe in yourself. Okay. Now going ahead with today's session, my dear friends, I know that you all tell to yourself and to each other that I want to be like as powerful, as strong as my father. I want to be as strong as my teacher, or I would like to be like Amitabh Bachchan, or I would like to achieve success like any other great personality. So how is that possible? That is possible by if we open the treasure box and if we come to know what all secrets they have. So this is a treasure box which includes all the secrets that they all had. The number one secret is always be happy. My dear friends, I want you all to turn on your camera now for me for a few seconds, and I want you all to show me your lovely faces. Come on. Turn on your camera and let me see your lovely faces. Good. Few are remaining. Yes, very good. Very good. Only few are remaining. Please turn on your camera if you can. Very good. Excellent. Now, we all are sitting little seriously as if, there's something very difficult going on. Now, what I want you all to do is, I want you all to relax, okay? And I want you all to smile. Come on. Let me see. Smile. खुल के हंसो. Yes, come on. अब सभी लोग हंसेंगे, खुश रहेंगे. Yes. Everybody will smile. Come on. See, my smile is so broad. I want to see if you all also have the same broad smile. Come on. Jay, come on. Yes. How do you feel? When you smile, how do you feel?
Happy.
Happy.
Nice.
तो हम इतने कंजूस क्यों हैं हैप्पी रहने के लिए? हमें तो हमेशा हैप्पी रहना चाहिए, है ना?
Yes.
Because whenever we smile, it increases the beauty of our face and it makes our muscle relax. Okay, so my dear friends, remember the first secret. Always smile. Okay, what is the first secret in life if you want to be happy?
Always
Always be smile and be happy.
Always be happy and always smile. ज्यादा टेंशन नहीं लेना है, ठीक है? देना भी नहीं है. ओके, लेना भी नहीं है, देना भी नहीं है, और हमेशा खुश रहना है. ओके, अंडरस्टूड? फर्स्ट सीक्रेट. व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट सीक्रेट?
Always be happy.
Very good. Now we move to the second secret. Okay, we move to the second secret. What is the second secret? Let us see. We have learned it from the video, but we will, see what is it. Can we have the PPT, please? Yes. So this is what we have learned. We have seen one video, right? So from that video, we have seen that there are so many personalities who had faced a lot of problems in their lives. Just like how your mom, your dad, your teachers, and even me, I too have faced a lot of difficulties. But we had one mantra. What was that? Never give up. And we should always keep on going. Okay? हमेशा चलते रहो. अगर पानी भी रुक जाता है तो वो स्टैग्नेंट हो जाता है, खराब हो जाता है. पानी में लहर कैसे हमेशा क्या होती है? चलती रहती है. वैसे हमें भी हमेशा
चलते रहना है.
Very good. So never ever give up. Okay? Let us move quickly to the next secret. That is very important. Now next secret number 3 is very important, and it is taking your failures positively. When you take your failures positively, you develop positive attitude. Okay? अगर मैं आपको बोलूं कि मुझे चश्मा है, मैं चीजों को चश्मा लगा कर देखती हूँ, तो मैं वो कौन सा चश्मा लगाती हूँ? It is a invisible specs. You know what is that specs? That specs has a power to see the things with positivity. मतलब क्या? Imagine मैंने एक competition में participate किया. I participated in a competition. It was extempore competition where I had to speak on the spot. मुझे टॉपिक मिला, मैंने पढ़ा और मैंने देखा और मैं नर्वस हो गई और मैं कुछ बोल ही नहीं पाई. कभी कभी हो सकता है कि हमारे साथ ऐसा हो, लेकिन मैंने हार नहीं मानी. मैंने क्या किया? I lost that competition, but I didn't feel bad about it. Why? Because I knew that even next time there will be similar competition where I can put all my energy, where I can practice before the competition. And I did that. Again I participated and I won. Okay, remember, whenever you are doing something and maybe you have not achieved whatever you were expecting, आपने कोई चीज करने की कोशिश की, फॉर एग्जाम्पल पेंटिंग कंपटीशन में पार्टिसिपेट किया, आपने पेंटिंग बनाई बट आपकी पेंटिंग नहीं जीत पाई, तो भी आपको नाराज होना है क्या?
नहीं,
कभी भी नाराज नहीं होना है, क्योंकि फेल का मतलब पता है क्या होता है? फेल सेज और फेल से डिफाइंस first attempt in learning. Okay, so failure is the first step in learning, always remember. Okay,
Okay,
do you
ma'am.
agree with me?
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
Very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we have learned that we should always look at the things with a
positive.
positive effect.
positive attitude. Very good, beta. Excellent. Now we are moving to the next slide, and again there is one personality. Okay, and this secret says कि हमें कभी भी किसी चीज से डरना नहीं है. You must have seen the lot of people around you who loves you tells you never ever be scared of anything. कभी भी किसी भी चीज से डरो मत, डरना मना है. Okay, now with this phrase डरना मना है, let me share with you story of this person. आपने सुना है इनके बारे में? दिव्यांशु गनात्रा के बारे में सुना है?
No, ma'am.
नहीं
No,
सुना है,
ma'am.
कोई बात नहीं, कोई बात नहीं. So he is one person who around when he was around 19 years of age, he had all, he was a normal human being like us. But one day when he got up in the morning, he realized that he has lost his eyesight. जब एक दिन वो सोकर उठे तो उन्हें कुछ भी नजर नहीं आया. उन्हें कुछ सेकंड के लिए ऐसे लगा कि शायद रात ही है, शायद लाइट्स ऑफ है. एक्चुअली मॉर्निंग हो चुकी थी और उनकी आईसाइट मेडिकल रीजंस की वजह से पूरी तरह जा चुकी थी. बट पता है उन्होंने क्या किया? अब अगर कोई भी विजुअली इम्पेयर्ड है तो शायद एक नॉर्मल विजुअली इम्पेयर्ड ये सोचे, या हम लोग भी आंखें बंद कर देते तो हमें क्या कुछ नजर आता है?
No.
नहीं.
कुछ भी नजर नहीं आता. हमें डर लगता है. इवन घर पे लाइट चली जाती है तो हमें क्या लगता है? हम डर जाते हैं. माय गुडनेस, मम्मा लाइट लगाओ ना, मम्मा कैंडल लगाओ ना, बोलते हैं ना, क्योंकि हम डर जाते हैं. मोबाइल का लाइट लगाते हैं, राइट? तो बट देन उनके लाइफ में तो ऐसा हुआ दैट ही लॉस्ट हिज आईसाइट परमानेंटली. बट पता है उन्होंने क्या कहा अपने आप से? बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, ध्यान से सुनो. उन्होंने कहा दृष्टि गई तो क्या हुआ, दृष्टिकोण तो है. एंड ही टोल्ड द होल वर्ल्ड, he is the brand ambassador of Colgate. You must have seen his ad. He is the first solo paraglider. वो उन्होंने आंखें जाने के बाद भी he lived a normal life. उन्होंने साइकिल चलाया, उन्होंने माउंटेन क्लाइंब किया, उन्होंने पैराग्लाइडिंग किया. What all things a normal person can do, this super powerful man did. So what have we learned from this? That if we decide, we can convert all the I cannot, all the impossible into I can and possible. ठीक है? Understood?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Very good, very good. चलो हम आगे चलते हैं नेक्स्ट सीक्रेट की तरफ. ध्यान रखो जब तक हम नेक्स्ट सीक्रेट की तरफ जा रहे हैं, नेक्स्ट स्लाइड में, रिमेंबर द फर्स्ट सीक्रेट दैट वी हैव लर्न, ऑलवेज बी
Happy.
Happy.
So, second secret that we have learned,
Keep
Second
going,
secret.
never give up.
very good, never give up. Third secret we have learned,
Never
Third.
scared.
Never
scared.
positive attitude. Okay.
Positive attitude.
Positive
Very good. What is
attitude.
the fourth secret?
Never scared.
Never scared.
Never be scared. Very good, very good. Okay, very good, excellent. Now we come to the next secret, and that is positive relationship. We all are blessed with lot of good relations, right? All relations are good. We have, आपने बोला ना, आप blessed है कि आपको parents है. You all are blessed. You have lovely parents. You are blessed. You have lovely teachers. You are blessed. You have, lovely school to take care of you. You are blessed that you have good, relatives. You are blessed that you have, lovely grandparents. You have siblings, right? ये सभी लोग क्या है? ये आपके treasure है. Because they all love and care for you. But do you also love and care for them? If yes, do you express your love for them? Is a question. So my request for you all will be that whenever among your this circle, मतलब आपके parents, आपके भाई बहन, आपके teachers, जब भी आपके लिए कुछ अच्छा करते हैं, तो आपको उनको क्या बोलना है?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Very good. You have to tell them thank you. और जब आपको लगता है कि सच्ची में आपको उनपे बहुत प्यार आ रहा है, तो आपको उनको क्या बोलना है? I love you, mummy. I love you, papa. I love you, teacher. Okay? Okay?
Yes,
Very
Okay,
good.
ma'am.
Good, very good. So whenever you think there is, you love them, actually you love them every minute. So you can at least once in a day can tell, na, Mama, thank you so much for doing so many things for us. Papa, thank you so much. You all always, you take care of us so very nicely, right? Okay, चलो हम आगे चलते हैं और नेक्स्ट सीक्रेट को देखते हैं. So remember positive relationship. Now we go to the next secret. और ये तो बहुत अच्छा सीक्रेट है. This secret tells you your relationship with your own self. Okay? What you have to do every day when you get up in the morning, I am sure you all must be having a big mirror in your house.
Yes,
एक
ma'am.
mirror तो होगा.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. आपको अभी कैमरा ऑन करना है और मैं जो कहूंगी मेरे बाद में बोलना है. You have to say the same lines after me. You have to turn on your camera, and this is the secret you will tell to yourself for 21 days. Continuously 21 days. Okay? And that line is, you will repeat after me. You will repeat after me and you will perform the action. Come on, hold your hands like this. Hold your hand, at least one hand like this. At least one hand. Come on, very good. And have a pleasant smile on your face. A little smile on your face, and you have to say, I am the best.
I am the best.
I am the best.
Say it again. I am the best.
I am the best. I am the best.
Say,
Loudly.
I am the best.
I am the best.
I am the best.
Very good. See, when you say this again and again to yourself, you get energized. You get positive energy. You feel confident, right? So remember, every day when you get up in the morning, say to yourself, I am the best. Okay? Will you do that
Yes,
for me?
ma'am.
Every
Yes,
day
ma'am.
when you get up in the morning?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Very good. Excellent. Very good. I am sure you all are going to be superheroes. Okay. And the last secret is that I told you, in your relationship, whether it is with others, means your parents, your teachers, or it is the relationship with you, yourself, you have to be thankful. आपको पता है, जब मैं कुछ अच्छा काम करती हूँ तो मेरा एक सीक्रेट है, मैं आपको आज बताती हूँ. मैंने बाकियों को नहीं बताया, सिर्फ आपको बताती हूँ. मैं अपना हाथ ऐसे करती हूँ, आप कर सकते हैं. दिख रहा है आपको मेरा हाथ? ऐसे करो. हाँ,
Yes,
जैसे प्लेट देते हो ना. हाँ, अब उल्टा करो. उल्टा करो. अभी ऐसे करो. Yes, this is self-appreciation. Okay? Whenever you do something nice, you can just appreciate yourself. Whenever your mama और पापा, उन्होंने अगर आपके लिए कुछ अच्छा किया तो आपको उनको भी थैंक यू बोलना है. आपके टीचर्स आपके लिए इतना कुछ करते हैं, आपको आपके टीचर्स को भी थैंक यू बोलना है. ठीक है? ओके?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Very good.
Okay, ma'am.
Now we will go to the next slides. तो ये तो आपको मैंने अभी भी बताया स्टोरी ऑफ सुधा चंद्रन. I also told you story of Amitabh Bachchan, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? अगर आप ये सभी secrets करेंगे my dear students, तो आप पता है क्या मैजिक होगा? You all will become the best version of yourself. What will happen? You all will become the best version of yourself. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. अभी एक वीडियो सिर्फ बचा है, ठीक है? वो स्पेशल वीडियो हम आपको अभी दिखाने वाले हैं. So you have to observe that last video. Okay? And with after that we will have a small interaction and we will revise within few seconds, and then you all will promise me that you all are going to be superheroes by practicing those secrets. ठीक है? So can we have that
Okay.
video, ma'am? Yes, good. I told you ना, एक मैंने आपको कहानी नहीं बताई अरुणिमा सिन्हा की. अब हम वो कहानी देखेंगे. मैम आवाज आप अपने
लखनऊ से दिल्ली जाती हुई ट्रेन की पटरी के किनारे एक अकबरी से लड़की पाई गई. घंटों तक उस ट्रैक के किनारे पड़े अपने कटे पैर के दर्द से चीखती रही. आखिर एक 24 साल की मिडिल क्लास लड़की जो अपना एक पैर गवा चुकी थी, वो अपनी जिंदगी के साथ क्या करता था. ये है अरुणिमा सिन्हा, और ये आपको बताएंगे कि अम्बेडकर नगर से माउंट एवरेस्ट के शिखर तक कैसे पहुंचते हैं. 4 स्टेप्स. कुदरत की बनाई 8 किलोमीटर ऊंची दीवार, उसको 4 कदमों में पार करना कैसे पॉसिबल है. खासकर तब जब पहला कदम उठाना ही चुनौती है. और चुनौती से लड़ने का सिर्फ एक तरीका है. स्टेप 1. दूसरों की नहीं, अपनी सुनो. भूल जाओ कि तुम क्या थे या क्या हो. लोगों के ओपिनियन को पीछे छोड़कर आगे बढ़ना, अपने डर को पीछे छोड़कर आगे बढ़ना बहुत कम लगता है, बहुत रिस्क होता है.
मतलब इतना था कि हॉस्पिटल के बेड में मैं थी और करीब एक 20-25 मिनट के एक डॉक्टर आया और बात कर रहे थे.
Ma'am, this is different language, right?
वहाँ की नर्स ने डॉक्टर पूछे कि अरे पता है कौन था, तो मैंने बोला नहीं, बोले मानसिक डॉक्टर थे, तो ये चेक करने के लिए आए थे कि तो मतलब सदमे में तो नहीं, क्योंकि मैंने एवरेस्ट के बारे में जब बोला था लोगों ने मुझे पागल समझा.
लोग क्या कहते हैं इग्नोर करना आसान है, पर 8 किलोमीटर की ऊंचाई पर लटक कर दिल क्या कहता है इग्नोर करना थोड़ा मुश्किल. हर एवरेस्ट के रास्ते पर एक डेथ जोन पड़ता है. जमीन से ऊंचाई 8 किलोमीटर, जमीन की तुलना में ऑक्सीजन 3 गुना कम, टेम्परेचर -60, सेफ्टी हार्नेस नहीं मिलेगी. मिलेंगे तो बस 2 रास्ते. एक, वो वापस अपने घर को, अपनी रोजमर्रा की जिंदगी को वापस जाता है, और दूसरा जिसमें कोई रिस्क लेकर अपना नाम बनाता है. स्टेप 2. खतरों की राह पकड़ो.
अभी आपको अजीब लगेगा जब बोलेंगे हम ऐसे. डेथ जोन एरिया में कोई भी एक दूसरे को अगर रास्ता बताना बोलेगा, कहेगा वो जो बॉडी उधर पड़ी है वो वाली 99 की डेड बॉडी पड़ी, उसके बगल से निकल जाना, या फिर वो जो ग्रीन वाली जैकेट या फिर ब्लू, मतलब इस तरीके से उसकी बॉडी के हिसाब से और बताया जाता है कि उधर से निकल जाना. जो कनाडियन लड़की कनाडियन फ्लैग में है, उधर से उसके बगल से उसके ऊपर वाले हिस्से से निकल जाना, ऐसे बताते हैं.
डेथ जोन को डेथ जोन क्यों नहीं कहते. हिम्मत को दिल में, अपने शिखर को अपनी नजरों में रखो. स्टेप 3. जो भी हो बढ़ते रहो.
मैंने जब वहां की वो स्थिति देखी थी, मैं खुद भी शॉक रह गई थी. एकदम सही पूछो तो मेरे एक ही अच्छे अच्छे माउंटेनियर, अच्छे अच्छे दिलेर के हौसले दिल के धरे तब रह जाते हैं जब अपनी आंखों के सामने किसी को मरता देखता है। इतना ही नहीं, मैं जिस रोक में थी उसी रोक में एक बांग्लादेशी, मतलब मैं थोड़ा दूर हूं उनसे, और उनका हाथ ऐसे हिल रहा था, मुंह से आवाज आ रही थी, और जब तक मैं उनके पास पहुंची उनकी बॉडी एकदम शांत हो चुकी थी और पहुंच चुकी थी। 10 से 15 सेकंड खड़े होकर मैंने सिर्फ इतना बोला, अगर इन सब में से सभी ने एवरेस्ट सबमिट कर लिया तब तो ठीक है, और नहीं सबमिट किया है मैं सबके लिए एवरेस्ट सबमिट आ जाऊंगा। मेरे सबसे करीब में जब मैं पहुंची तो मेरा शेरपा ने मुझसे पीछे से कहा कि अरुणिमा वापस चल, हिलेरी स्टेट के बाद एवरेस्ट सबमिट है, थोड़ा घूम के जाना पड़ता है, एवरेस्ट सबमिट है। आप अपने गोल के इतने करीब हो, कोई आपसे ये बोले वापस चलो तो खिलाफ हो जाता है। क्या बात कर रहे, मैंने इतना पूछा अरुणिमा तुम्हारा ऑक्सीजन खत्म हो रहा है और वापस चलो, जिंदगी रही दोबारा ट्राई कर। मैंने इतना बोला कि अगर मैंने एवरेस्ट सबमिट नहीं किया तब शायद मेरी जिंदगी, क्योंकि एवरेस्ट मेरी जिंदगी बन चुका था।
हाँ, पता है कि एवरेस्ट 4 कदमों में पार नहीं किया जा सकता, एवरेस्ट पार किया जाता है 1 कदम से, रिस्क से। रिस्क लो।
आज मेरी लाइफ का सबसे बड़ा सपना पूरा हुआ और मैं टॉप ऑफ द वर्ल्ड और बहुत खुश और सबको मोटिवेशन देना चाहती हूँ कि हर रात में अगर अपने लक्ष्य को बनाओ तो कभी नहीं हार माने, और वो अपने टॉप को अपने लक्ष्य को छू नहीं पाएगा। जैसे मैं ऐसे हालात में होने के बाद मैं आज यहाँ।
Thank you, ma'am. So, my dear friends, so this was the inspiring story of Arunima Sinha. Okay, remember, whatever great personalities we have learned today, they all have one quality in them, and that is that they all are resilient. They all have the ability to convert the impossible into possible. Okay, so my dear friends, I hope you all will use these secrets and make your life very effective and happy. Okay, and I'm sure when you will practice this, you all will become resilient and you all will become the best version of your own. Okay, so I wish you all the best, and I'm sure that you all will become the best version of yourself. क्योंकि मैंने कहा है, the passionate Preeti says, तू न हो उदास, तू न हो हताश, समय तू ही बदलने वाला है। तू न हो उदास, तू न हो हताश, समय तू ही बदलने वाला है। तू अपनी किस्मत अपने हाथों से, तू अपनी किस्मत अपने हाथों से खुद ही लिखने वाला है। अगर तू गिरा तो याद रख, गिरना जरूरी है, गिरकर उठना, उठकर संभलना और संभलकर चलना जरूरी है। हाँ, गिरना जरूरी है। आप अगर लाइफ में कभी फॉल डाउन होते हो, कभी गिरते हो, इट इज एब्सोल्युटली फाइन, बट व्हाट इज इम्पोर्टेंट इज दैट यू गेट अप, you start your journey once again, because it is never too late to restart your life. Okay, with this I thank you so much for your patient listening. Thank you, my dear friends. Thank you, my dear lovely students.
Okay, can I have may I have Neha here? Neha? Yeah, would you like to share your feedback?
Yes, ma'am. So today now inspirational and about many of the stations which we knowing, and then so and ma'am was also so sweet. Thank you so much, ma'am, for great webinar. We'll be motivated and never fail and forward.
Okay, thank you, Neha, for your valuable feedback. I would like to ask to Chaitanya. Chaitanya, have you enjoyed today's session? Okay, now this question is for all. Have you all enjoyed today's session?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so can you tell me one by one that what are the different and amazing things you have learned today?
Hello.
Yes, Chaitanya.
Ma'am, you took money. Hello.
Yeah, your voice is coming, Chaitanya.
Ma'am, there is network problem.
Okay. So from my side, I enjoyed a lot, and the way of living the best life given by our like in today's session, we have learned many different things that whenever we are going to apply that things in real life, in practical one, on that time you will see an amazing result in your life. That is our motto, and even for the same, ma'am has conducted very excellent seminar for all the global students. So on behalf of Global International School and Junior College, I, CK Garg, would like to thanks to you, ma'am, that you have arranged and you have conducted such an amazing session for all the students. Like even I also participated in that, and even I learned many of the skills and superpowers which I can use in day-to-day life to get a better result. And I hope you all enjoyed a lot, my dear students. Is it right?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can I share my opinion?
yes, Chaitanya.
Ma'am, the lecture was too motivative and so good. It will help in my future also. And the secrets and the skills were too good. I love the secrets that you tell.
Wow, that's great. Yeah, Shambhavi, would you like to say something?
Yes, ma'am. Today's session was very inspirational, and we learned many things. Means how we can be successful in our life.
Very good. Okay. Thank you, ma'am, for conducting such a beautiful session for all the students.
Thank you, ma'am. I love you all, my dear students. Thank you. Thanks to you also, ma'am, for such effective coordination for all the webinars that we have conducted so far. It was so smooth. And thank you, Binsi ma'am, for giving me the permission to conduct webinars and to have, such lovely interactions with all the global students. And thanks to the visionary behind this, the Honorable Chairman, sir. Thank you so much. Everyone, I am sure we all together can make this world a better place to live, right?
Yes.
So always use the magic secrets whenever you need. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Good.
Bye, everyone. Thank you for joining our today's session.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, my dear lovely students. Bye-bye for today. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.